Okay, last class uninstalling എങ്ങനെയാണെന്ന് ഞാൻ കാണിച്ചു തന്നിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നില്ല അല്ലേ? Let me show you that today. How we will uninstall something. How we will uninstall something. See, press the start button. From there, we will get Windows settings. See, Windows settings here. Click on that. After that, we will get this window, right? Windows settings window. Okay, from this, we have to choose which one we are going to uninstall an app. For that, we will choose this option. Which option? Apps. And the തൊട്ട് താഴെ എഴുതിയിട്ടുണ്ട് uninstall default optional features. So we will choose this option to uninstall an app or program. So click on that. From that, here we get apps and features option. Here we have apps and features option. Click on that. So these are the apps and programs which is in the computer memory. Ipo ee computer memory la apps programs aanu ivide കാണുന്നത്. So if you want to uninstall some, what is that? Someone is writing miss on my board. Who's that? If you have anything, just unmute and say it. Don't play in my class. I'll remove you. Listen to me carefully. I'm talking to you. So if you want to uninstall any app or program from this computer, which one you are going to uninstall? Okay. If I want to uninstall VLC media player from my computer, what I have to do? Just click on that. If I want to uninstall VLC media player from my computer, then I will click that option. From that, I will get this uninstall. Okay. അത് ക്ലിക്ക് ചെയ്താൽ ഒരു കൺഫർമേഷൻ മെസ്സേജ് കൂടെ വരും, ഒരു ഡയലോഗ് ബോക്സ് കൂടെ പോപ്പപ്പ് ചെയ്തു. ദിസ് ആപ്പ് and its related info will be uninstalled. അവർ ചോദിക്കാണ്, are you sure you want to install this app എന്ന് ചോദിക്കാണ്. If you uninstall this app, അതിന്റെ ഇൻഫർമേഷനും അതിനോട്ടുള്ള റിലേറ്റ് ചെയ്ത കാര്യങ്ങളെല്ലാം പെർമനന്റ്ലി കമ്പ്യൂട്ടറിൽ നിന്ന് പോകും എന്നവർ നമുക്കൊരു വാർണിംഗ് മെസ്സേജ് തരാണ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. If you are sure about it, just click on this uninstall. Okay, otherwise click somewhere else. Clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
This is how we will uninstall an app. Click on the start button. From there, click on the settings. Then you will get a Windows settings. From that, we are going to uninstall an app. So choose this option, apps. Click on that. From that, you will get many options over there. From this, you have to choose apps and features. Then you can see the apps and programs installed in your computer. നിങ്ങളുടെ കമ്പ്യൂട്ടർ മെമ്മറിയിലെ ആപ്സിന്റെയും പ്രോഗ്രാംസിന്റെയും ആപ്ലിക്കേഷൻസിന്റെയും പ്രോഗ്രാംസിന്റെ ഒക്കെ ലിസ്റ്റ് ആണിത്. കറന്റ്ലി ഈ കമ്പ്യൂട്ടറിലുള്ള ആപ്ലിക്കേഷൻസ് ആൻഡ് പ്രോഗ്രാംസ് ആണിത്. അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾ ഏത് ആപ്പാണ് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഏത് പ്രോഗ്രാമാണ് അൺഇൻസ്റ്റാൾ ചെയ്യാൻ ഉദ്ദേശിക്കുന്നത്, ആ ആപ്പിൽ ക്ലിക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, അൺഇൻസ്റ്റാൾ എന്നുള്ള ബട്ടൺ ക്ലിക്ക് ചെയ്യാം. ദെൻ ഒരു ചെറിയൊരു ഡയലോഗ് ബോക്സ് വരും. ഈ ആപ്പ് അൺഇൻസ്റ്റാൾ ചെയ്യുകയാണെങ്കിൽ അതുമായിട്ട് റിലേറ്റ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ള ഇൻഫർമേഷനും കൂടെ അൺഇൻസ്റ്റാൾ ആവും. അപ്പൊ ആർ യു ഷുവർ ടു uninstall that എന്നാണ് അവർ ചോദിക്കുന്നത്. If you are sure about it, just click on this button. Otherwise, click outside that dialog box. Okay. This is how we will uninstall an app from our computer. So we have finished that chapter, right? Did I told you to do the exercise? Did I tell you to do the exercise in the last class?
No, miss. No, miss.
Okay, take your textbook, exercise, page number 17. Yeah. Take the correct answer. You have to answer me. It's a special program to play and organize digital media files stored in a computer memory. Which one we will use? Which program we will use to play and organize digital media files stored in a computer memory?
Windows Media Player.
Okay.
Windows Media Player.
Correct answer. Tick B. Tick B, Windows Media Player. Use your pencil to write in your textbook. Don't use your pen, okay? Use your pencil, only your pencil. Textbook, don't use your pen. Now, second question. Copying data from a computer to CD is called burning, ripping, both A and B, which is correct. Copying data from computer to CD.
Ripping.
Computer to CD. Is it true, Shambil? Okay, I'll ask one by one. Shambil, is it true? What do you think? Please unmute and say. Is it correct?
Ripping.
Copying
Yes.
data from, okay, tell me your answer. Adidev, what's your answer? Copying data from a computer to CD. Not CD to computer, from computer to CD. Adidev, can't you hear me? Then unmute and say the answer.
Ripping.
Ripping. Sarah, what's your answer?
Ripping.
Ripping. And let me check other participants, okay? Okay, Fatima, what's your answer?
Burning.
Burning. Okay. How many of you are saying ripping? Raise your hands. If your answer is ripping, raise your hand. Okay, hands down. If your answer is burning, those please raise your hands. Burning. Sham will remove your hand from your camera. Okay. Devapriya, then Fatima, they are saying burning. Okay. So please take page number 8. Take page number 8. Ripping a CD or DVD to a computer. Read the first sentence. Copying a digital media file from a CD or DVD to a computer is called ripping. From CD to computer is called ripping. Now, take page number 9. Burning a CD or DVD. Read the first sentence. Burning a CD or DVD means copying data from a computer to CD or DVD. From computer to CD or DVD. So what is the correct answer?
Burning.
Burning. Okay. Take the exercise and read the question again. Copying data from where? From? We are copying data from?
CD.
No.
Burning.
Copying data from a computer. We are copying data from a computer to a CD. That's why it's called burning. It's burning. Not ripping, it's burning. Take the correct answer, it's burning. Okay. Third question, which of the following cannot be managed through control panel? Kriba, don't talk to anyone else. Listen to me. Read the question. Kriba, Mary, Abraham, read the third question.
Which of the following cannot be managed through the control panel?
Which of the following cannot be managed through the control panel? What's the answer, Kruba? You have three options: network setting, date and time setting, burning a CD. What do you think? Network setting, date and time setting, burning a CD. Which of the following cannot be managed through control panel? We can manage date and time, no doubt in that. We can manage network setting. So what's your answer, Kruba?
Network setting.
That's not true. That's a wrong answer. You have to listen to the class. Don't talk to anyone else. Burning in vendi nammal eda app upayogikkannathu? What we are using for burning and ripping?
Media player.
Using Windows Media Player for ripping and burning, right? So control panel is used to change and edit almost all the settings in the computer. Okay, correct answer. We cannot manage burning a CD through a control panel. C is the right answer. Who's that? What did you say? Devanjana? Okay, third question or no? Are you talking about the third question? Not clear, dear. Say it again.
Miss, first
Okay. എന്ത് പറ്റി നിങ്ങൾ ഇപ്പോഴാണോ ജോയിൻ ചെയ്തത് ക്ലാസ്സില്?
അല്ല മിസ്സേ, നെറ്റ് ഇഷ്യൂ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു.
ഓക്കെ.
മിസ്സേ ഒന്നും കേൾക്കുന്നില്ല.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yes, miss.
Okay. I was discussing the exercises. Exercise A. The first question is to tick the correct answer. So, first question, it is a special program to play and organize digital media. Tell me. Don't talk in between. Let me finish that question. If you have any doubt, just ask me after that. It is a special program to play and organize digital media files stored in a computer memory. Which program we will use to play and organize digital media files in the computer memory? That was the first question. Which one we will use, Devanjana? I can't hear you. We will use Windows Media Player for that. Answer B. Okay, second question. Copying a data from a computer to a CD is called copying. We are copying data from computer to CD or DVD. Computer nunna CD leko DVD leko. That process is called burning. That is called burning. CD burn cheyannu parna CD like computer nalla data copy cheyana cheynadu. So, which of the following cannot be managed through the control panel? control panel ഉപയോഗിച്ച് നമുക്ക് manage ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റാത്ത ഒരു option ഉണ്ട് അവിടെ. We can change the network setting using control panel, and we can change the date and time also. We have done that. And third option is burning a CD. To burn a CD, we used which application, which thing, which program? We used Windows Media Player, no? Yes. So burning a CD cannot be managed through control panel. Control panel vary manage cheyan pattathathana burning a CD ennu parna process. Okay, clear? Let's move on to the fourth question. This control panel category has an option to change the mouse settings. Mouse settings change cheyan vendi what did we do? First we open the control panel, then we click on something. What was that?
Hardware and sound.
Okay, very good. Hardware and sound. That's a correct answer. Okay. Which one? Fourth one. The control panel category. This answer?
Third one.
Third one. Which of the following cannot be managed through the control panel? Burning a CD. Or a CD burn cheyan, we are using Windows Media Player, not control panel. So C is the correct answer. We are not using control panel to burn a CD. We are using Windows Media Player for that. So 3 answer C. Wow. Next. Very good. Fourth, okay, fifth question. Which of the following is not a part of troubleshooting process? Which of the following is not a part of troubleshooting process? What is troubleshooting?
Resolving an error.
Yeah, first we have to find and we have to make plan, then we will resolve that error. Computer work ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുമ്പോൾ ഉണ്ടാവുന്ന എറേഴ്സിനെ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുക, അതിനെ പ്ലാൻ ചെയ്ത് rectify ചെയ്ത് അതിനെ റിമൂവ് ചെയ്യുക അല്ലേ? That is called a troubleshooting. Alan, do you feel sleepy? Are you sleepy? Then tell me the answer of the fifth question.
Option B.
Option B. No. Troubleshooting. Okay. 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 ആരെങ്കിലും പറഞ്ഞോ? Copying an error. Okay. We cannot copy an error. Troubleshooting. In troubleshooting process, Alan, listen to me. In troubleshooting process, first we will identify the error. We have to identify or find the error. Okay. That is the first step of troubleshooting. Then we will do the planning. After that, we will resolve the error. We will resolve the error in troubleshooting, but we will not copy an error in troubleshooting process. So C is the answer. We will not use copying an error is not a part of troubleshooting process. Clear? Okay, B, filling the blanks. I'll give you 1 minute time to fill the blanks. Do it quickly using your pencil. Just find the answer.
This fourth one, Maria.
Fourth one, this control panel category has an option to change the mouse settings. Mouse settings change ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടി we use control panel. Control panel le ഏത് option ആണ് നമ്മൾ choose ചെയ്തത്? Which category we used? Advait. Do you remember that? Ease of access ആണോ നമ്മൾ click ചെയ്തത്? Hardware and sound ആയിരുന്നോ അതോ system and security ആയിരുന്നോ? Which one was that? Where did you go? Can't you hear me? Hardware and sound. Adale click ചെയ്തത്. Yeah, that is the correct answer. mouse settings change here, and we will use the hardware and sound category of control panel. So did you finish writing the B? Did you finish? Okay, no problem. Let's discuss first, then you can write. Okay, first one. Dash also lets you copy data from a CD to a computer or vice versa. Dash also lets you copy data from a CD to a computer or vice versa. Which one lets you?
Windows Media Player.
Very good. Windows Media Player, write it there. Using your pencil, don't use your pen. Don't use your pencil to write in your textbook. എന്താ മോളെ? കേട്ടില്ല. കേൾക്കുന്നില്ലല്ലോ, എന്ത് പറ്റി? അതെയോ? ഇപ്പൊ ക്ലിയർ ആണോ? No.
Miss, clear, Miss.
Okay. Okay, thank you. So, second question, double clicking on the set. So, no, I saw the answer. Double clicking on the dash begins the installation process. Double clicking on the dash begins the installation process.
Setup file. Separate file.
Okay, very good. Setup file is correct. Okay, very good. Write it fast. Third question. Dash is used to make changes to various settings of a computer system. Dash is used to make changes to various settings of a computer system.
Control panel.
Control panel. Very good.
Control panel.
Control panel is the correct answer.
Control panel.
Yeah. Next. ഈ സമയത്ത് ആരെങ്കിലും ടെക്സ്റ്റിൽ എഴുതാതിരിക്കുന്നുണ്ടോ? ഇതിനു വേണ്ടി എക്സ്ട്രാ ടൈം ഒന്നും കണ്ടുപിടിക്കണ്ട. ഡു ഇറ്റ് നൗ. കേട്ടോ? Now, the fourth question. Clock and region category is used to change the dash settings. Clock and region.
Data and time.
Date and time. Not data and time. It's date and time.
Date and time.
Okay. Devajana, do you have network issues? I think you have. Video is not clear. Okay. Now, the fifth question. Fifth question. Removing a program from a computer system is called dash.
Uninstall.
Very good. Uninstalling. Write it there. So, first one, Windows Media Player. Second, setup file. Third, control panel. Fourth, date and time. Fifth, uninstalling. Did you write it?
Yes.
Okay. Now, true or false? I'll give you 1 minute time. Please find the answer. You don't need to write it, just find the answer.
Miss, check on.
What did you say?
Miss, check.
Do all the 5 questions. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Find the answer for all the questions. Okay. Do you find? Sarah, read the first question in C, section C. Unmute and read.
Removed is the
Burning is the
burning is the
opposite
opposite of
ripping.
ripping process.
Yeah, burning is the opposite of ripping process. Is it true or false?
True.
True. True. Very
True.
good. Very good. Christy Sindo, read the second question.
The control panel windows have six shaded to
Categories.
False.
How many
False.
categories it has?
8.
Okay. So that's false. Next, Ameya, read the third question.
the power plan options maximize a computer's performance.
The power plan options maximize a computer's performance. Is it true?
False.
False.
True.
Why it is true?
False.
False. എന്തിനാണ് പവർ പ്ലാൻ ഓപ്ഷൻസ് നമ്മൾ യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് കമ്പ്യൂട്ടറിന്റെ പെർഫോമൻസ് മാക്സിമൈസ് ചെയ്യാനല്ലേ കമ്പ്യൂട്ടറിന്റെ പെർഫോമൻസ് കൂട്ടാനല്ലേ അപ്പോ അനാവശ്യ ചാർജ് പോകുന്ന ഓപ്ഷൻസ് എല്ലാം നമ്മൾ ഓഫ് ചെയ്ത് വെക്കും അല്ലേ സോ തേർഡ് സ്റ്റേറ്റ്മെന്റ് ഈസ് ട്രൂ നോട്ട് ഫാൾസ് ഇറ്റ്സ് ട്രൂ ഓക്കെ Nihal, read the fourth question.
A program is
Can never be removed from the system.
A program installed in a computer can never be removed from the system. Is it true?
False.
False. Okay, we can uninstall a program, no? What is in the statement? It says that we cannot. That's wrong. We can remove a program from a computer memory. So, fourth one is false statement. Fourth statement is a false statement. Okay. You have to write the answer in the place provided, okay? Write T for true, F for false. Now, Sinan, read the fifth question.
All the key combination of the top energy.
Okay. Pressing Control Alt Delete key combination opens the task manager window. Is it true?
Yes. True.
Yes.
True.
What do you think? What happened?
False.
Can't hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to press that key combination. Control, which one that? Control Alt Delete.
True.
Control Alt Delete. What happened? Just a second. let me do it again. Control, Alt and Delete. I didn't get anything. So, നമുക്ക് ടാസ്ക് മാനേജറിന്റെ വിൻഡോ ആണ് ഓപ്പൺ ആയി വരിക അല്ല അല്ലേ വേറൊരു ഓപ്ഷൻ ആണല്ലേ വരിക അതിൽ നിന്നല്ലേ നമുക്ക് ടാസ്ക് മാനേജർ ഓപ്പൺ ചെയ്യേണ്ടി വരുന്നത് It is not working in this computer. I showed you that in the last class. Direct task manager alla open ആയി വരാ ഒരു ഓപ്ഷൻസിന്റെ ഒരു ഡയലോഗ് ബോക്സ് ആണ് വരാ അതിൽ നിന്നാണ് നമ്മൾ എന്താ ടാസ്ക് മാനേജറിന്റെ വിൻഡോ ഓപ്പൺ ചെയ്യാം സോ fifth one is a false statement. Fifth one is false. Because control alt delete to press ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ടാസ്ക് മാനേജറിന്റെ വിൻഡോ അല്ല ഓപ്പൺ ചെയ്യാം വേറെ ഒരു ഓപ്ഷൻസ് ഉള്ള ഒരു വിൻഡോ ആണ് അതിൽ നിന്നാണ് നമ്മൾ ടാസ്ക് മാനേജർ ചൂസ് ചെയ്യാം ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ ആൻസർ ദ ഫോളോയിങ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ഓക്കെ Windows Media Player. What do you understand by Windows Media Player? What did you understand? What is Windows Media Player? For what we are using it?
A special program in Windows called Windows Media Player. It used to play digital media files, audio and video on a computer.
Okay, very good. So Windows Media Player is a feature in a Windows. We use it to what? Play video or audio collectively known as digital media file in computer. Okay, it also used to some other process. It also used to copy data from a computer to CD and vice versa. Okay? Clear? Okay, second, okay, its uses are there.
Yes.
Yeah, tell me. I'll give you that answers to write, okay? If D where sorry, up to C you have finished the writing now. Only D is remaining.
True or false le fifth one onnude parayavo
Fifth one in true or false answer is false. F